Hi, so I am going to run through a couple of examples for topic 4.2, integral exponents. These were questions that you were supposed to try and do, and I know probably maybe you had a little bit of trouble with it. So here we go. Page 169, number 2B. The idea here is to express with positive exponents. So what I've got here is two variables that are different. So this means these are two different powers. Now the variable x, it does have a positive exponent, it's just not written. It's positive 1. So that variable x is not going to move. The variable y is a different power that has exponent negative 4. So what we need to do with that is we need to change locations for the power with variable y. When I say locations, it's either in numerator or denominator position. All of these are in numerator position right now. So this would be the answer. To express this with positive exponents, variable x exponent 1 is going to stay in the numerator. I'm not writing exponent 1. The power with variable y is going to change locations to go in denominator, and now the exponent becomes positive. Right there is the solution that you'll see at the back of the textbook. All right, let's look at letter D. The numerical coefficient, negative 4, is a power that has an exponent that's positive 1. So this is the key. It's the exponent that we are concerned about. If the exponent is negative, then it is going to change locations. Since this is a positive 1 as an exponent, the negative 4 stays. So the answer to this, negative 4 stays in the numerator position. Power with variable x, it's a separate power. It has a negative exponent, so I'm going to change location and put it into the denominator to become positive exponent 5. That will be the answer at the back of the book that we're looking to get to. All right, let's jump to number 4. So we've got these powers that have the same base 3 that are being divided. So right now I am going back to grade 9 and I'm remembering, hey, I just have to subtract exponents and they happen to be integers. No big deal. So all I'm going to do here is follow my understanding of subtracting of the exponents. Base 3 stays common. Negative 4 numerator. Subtract negative 2 in the denominator. That's the math I'm doing. Negative 4 minus negative 2. I'm going to end up with a base 3, negative 4 minus negative 2, exponent becomes negative 2. Good. But now the instruction says to express with positive exponents. So remember, all I'm doing is looking at this power currently with a negative exponent is in a numerator position. This is over 1. So all I'm going to do is think reciprocal. Flip becomes 1 over 3 exponent positive 2. If you were asked to evaluate this, we could go one step further and express it as 1 over 9. 3 squared, 3 times 3 is 9. All right, letter C, number 4. This is exponent law number 3. We've got a power within the brackets raised to another exponent. Rule, multiply exponents. So this becomes 3.2. Negative 2 times negative 3 is the math that we're doing here. It's multiplication. So now I get to a single power, 3.2, exponent positive 6, exponent is positive, you're done. The instruction does not say to evaluate. If it did, you could enter that in your calculator and come up with an answer. Okay, hopefully everything's going okay.